So I have been growing this fenugreek greens in this small container, and they have grown big and they are ready to harvest. If you haven't seen my video on how to grow fenugreek, I have put the link in the description and you can check it out. So today we're going to harvest it. So we're going to just take each plant and kind of leave a couple of inches at the bottom and then prune it. So just hold a few plants together and just prune it, something like this. So we have harvested our fenugreek. I have another planter here. I'm going to harvest that too. So we just harvested the fenugreek. So the first thing that you want to do is get rid of the stems. So take a cutting, remove all the leaves and just throw away the stem. Because the stems, although they are flavorful, they are too fibrous and then they don't cook that well, so then they don't taste great. So you just roughly want to just, I do this, I just hold it from the leaves and just pull them like this. So now I have removed all the stems, as you can see here, and these are all the leaves. So I can wash it and then we can cook it. And you know, if a few stems are remaining, you know, a little bit here and there, that's fine. It's just that, you know, most of the stems should be gone. And when you're washing the leaves, you have to be really careful and wash it multiple times because you know, it may have a lot of dirt, you know, it wasn't that high a plant, so you just want to make sure that there is no dirt in it. So we washed the fenugreek leaves, and I have also taken two potatoes, medium sized potatoes, and I have peeled them, and I'm going to cut them in small pieces. So the pan has been heating. I'll add about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. You can put any oil that you use. So I'm going to add about half teaspoon of cumin seeds. And because cumin seeds are added as whole, you know, these are whole seeds, they have to be added first before you add any vegetables. Otherwise, they'll not puff up. And now I'll add our chopped potatoes and saute them on high heat till they start to turn brown. And while they are browning, let's chop our fenugreek leaves. So here are my washed leaves. So you just hold them together, just chop them. As you can see, potatoes have started to change color. The whole idea is that, you know, the leaves get cooked so quickly and potatoes will take some time. So just cook them beforehand. You didn't have to saute them, you could just steam cook them. So now we can add more spices because, you know, potatoes are starting to change color. So 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute them so that they lose their rawness. And now add the cut leaves. Reduce the flame to low, and so going to add a little more than 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So be very careful because right now it looks like a lot, but all these leaves are going to settle down, so it's going to reduce in volume, so you don't want to put too much of salt. So I've reduced the heat. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. So every 4 or 5 minutes, I'll turn it over just to make sure that the spices are not burning, it's not sticking, and everything is getting cooked evenly. It's been a few minutes, and you can see that the leaves have settled down. So you have to just wait till the potatoes are soft. So try to cut it with this. It's not cutting easily, so we'll wait for a few more minutes. So few more minutes have passed, and now I can see that the potatoes are breaking up. When I try to you know cut it, it's cutting easily, so then it is done. So to finish it off, I'm going to put a big pinch of dried mango powder and about quarter teaspoon of garam masala, and then going to mix it. And at this point, you don't want to cook it more, because garam masala has a lot of fragrant spices. If you cook it too much after adding garam masala, all the fragrance will be lost. I want to taste it. Actually, add a little bit of um, dried mango powder and a pinch of salt. That's it. Mix it well. And our methi potato sabji or fenugreek potato side vegetable is ready to serve. You can eat it with roti, dal, rice, or even with toast. You can eat it easily. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.